Everyone thinks the best-selling remote control excavator is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1. Colgend 1/18 Scale Excavator. First up is the Colgend 1/18 Scale RC Excavator. Priced at $42.99, this toy caught my attention with its impressive metal shovel and dual battery system. If you want a tough and realistic toy that can actually dig, this is worth a serious look. So, here's why this product solves your problem. It features a heavy-duty metal shovel that allows kids to dig in dirt and sand, unlike flimsy plastic toys that break easily. The dual battery system means your kids can play longer, up to 40 minutes of non-stop action. Plus, the 2.4 GHz anti-interference remote control lets multiple kids play together without issues. It has a solid rating of 4.4 stars from over 4,100 reviews and is a bestseller, which speaks volumes about its popularity. Now, some people complained about the remote being a bit tricky for younger kids to handle. Here's the thing though, while it may take a little practice, the fun and engagement it provides outweighs this minor flaw. It's great for developing coordination and teamwork. This is perfect for you if you have kids age 6 to 10 who love construction play. Skip this if your child is looking for something for older teens, as they might find it a bit too basic. With solid features at a reasonable price, it's a great value. Now, if the Colgend's remote control complexity worried you, the next one takes a completely different approach with simplicity in mind. Product number 2. JOYGN Remote Control Excavator. Next up is the JOYGN Remote Control Excavator, which is priced at just $29.99. This one grabbed my attention with its bright LED lights and impressive remote range. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that promotes imaginative play, this is a great contender. This toy is designed for kids aged 3 to 12, making it super versatile. It comes with 2 rechargeable batteries to keep the fun going, and its all-terrain capability means your little builders can play anywhere. The remote control lets them explore from a distance, which add an exciting layer to their play experience. It's rated 4.6 stars with over 2,600 reviews, showing that many parents are happy with their purchase. However, some parents mentioned that it can struggle on rougher terrain, like thick grass. But here's the thing. If your child is mostly playing on hard surfaces or sand, this won't be an issue at all. It still delivers an engaging experience. This is perfect for you if you have younger kids who are just getting into construction toys. Skip this one if you're looking for something that can handle rough outdoor play, as it may not be as durable in those scenarios. For the price, it's a fantastic value for fun. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for durability and longer play time. Product number 3. Kidmarked RC Excavator Toy. The Kidmarked Remote Control Excavator is next, priced at $45.99. What stood out to me was its realistic features and the impressive 120 minutes of playtime with dual batteries. If you want a highly realistic and engaging experience, definitely check this one out. This excavator toy is packed with features like a metal alloy shovel, 11-channel control, and 360 degrees rotation, making it feel just like a real construction vehicle. It's built tough and can handle both indoor and outdoor play, which is perfect for curious kids who want to explore. With a 4.4-star rating from 1,200 reviews, it's clear that many parents appreciate its quality and educational value. Now, some users pointed out that the remote can be a bit bulky for smaller hands. But I'll be real with you. This is a minor inconvenience for the hours of imaginative play it provides. It's an excellent gift for any child interested in learning about machines. This is perfect for you if you're looking for something that combines fun and education for kids ages 3 to 12. Skip this if your child prefers simpler toys, as they might find it overwhelming. For the features you get, the price is quite reasonable. Now, if you're worried about size and weight, the next product offers a lighter, more portable alternative. Product number 4, Double E Volvo Excavator. Coming in at $39.98, the Double E Volvo licensed remote control excavator caught my attention with its realistic design and durable build. If you want something that mimics real-life construction machinery, this one is worth a look. This model features a powerful motor for smooth digging and unloading actions, with a cab that rotates 330 degrees. The 2.4 GHz remote control allows for simultaneous operation of multiple vehicles, making it a hit for playdates. It's rated 4.4 stars from over 2,700 reviews, so lots of parents are satisfied with its performance. However, some buyers mentioned that the battery life could be better. Here's the thing. While it may require more frequent charging, the realism and quality of play it brings make it a solid investment for your little builder. This is perfect for you if you want a realistic toy for kids aged 3 and up. Skip it if you're looking for something with longer battery life, as you might find this annoying during playtime. For the price point, it's a good value considering the quality. Alright, that was impressive. But let's finish strong with a more budget-friendly option that still packs a punch. Product number 5. Owner-Drive Beach Excavator. Finally, we have the Owner-Drive Remote Control Excavator, priced at $28.99. This one is designed specifically for outdoor fun, and it caught my eye with its heavy-duty construction for real sand digging. If your child loves playing outside, this is a fantastic option. This excavator is equipped with a metal shovel that can scoop up real sand effortlessly. The intuitive 2.4 GHz control makes it easy for kids aged 3 to 7 to operate, and it's designed to conquer various terrains. With a solid 4.3-star rating from 1,300 reviews, it's clear that parents appreciate its engaging features for outdoor play. However, some parents found the build quality not as sturdy as others on this list. But here's the truth. For younger kids just getting started, it's perfect for engaging their imagination without overwhelming them. This is perfect for you if you want to encourage outdoor play for kids aged 3 to 7. Skip this one if you're looking for something for older kids, as they might find it a bit too simple. At this price, it's a great option for getting kids outside and away from screens. So, to wrap it up, we've covered 5 fantastic remote control excavators. The Colgend is great for realistic digging. JOYGN is perfect for younger kids. KidMart offers amazing educational value. Double E mimics real-life machines beautifully, and Owner-Drive brings outdoor fun to the table. No matter your needs, one of these is sure to delight your little construction enthusiast.